What's in the fridge?
Hello friends, today we're going to be making some breakfast tots. So in the fridge we have some beans, hot links, some Monterey Jack cheese and sharp yellow cheese, turkey bacon, and some eggs. In the basket we have onion, tomatoes, and cilantro for pico de gallo, and also the tots. We're going to start off cooking our bacon. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give this a good little dice. Now, next we're going to warm up our pot and coat it with 1 spray of olive oil and add in a few chile de árbol. Once that's nice and black, we're going to toss them and add our bag of beans. Now, these bag of beans are so easy to make, which I will make a show next time on how to do that. But it's always nice to have a collection of them in the freezer. Next, we're going to make our pico de gallo, getting half of the onion. We're going to dice this guy up. We're going to add 2 romaine tomatoes, finely dice them. Look at how beautiful those colors look. We're going to go ahead and use a lime, just 1/4 of the lime. You can also use lemon if you prefer. Adding in a puño of pico de gallo, that means with your 3 fingers, and of salt, and some pepper. And this is always to your taste. Add some cilantro, and give that mixture a nice mix. You can taste it to see what it is missing. Next, we're going to go ahead and fry our tater tots in this convenient little fryer. I will always recommend this fryer. These tots are made so quickly. Then we're going to go ahead and cook our eggs. You can make them scrambled, over easy, any way you want. I'm going to go ahead and add some salt and the Italian seasoning that I got at Costco, and some pepper. Now I'm adding in my turkey bacon. Now we're going to plate our dish, starting with the tater tots. My beans, I did not refry them, I just warmed them up. I'm going to add the egg. Top it off with some cheese. And then the pico de gallo. What a beautiful restaurant look. And that's what's in the fridge today.